Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to bridge to Solana from Ethereum using RocketX exchange. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar, you will have to type rocketx.exchange. This will land you on the official website of RocketX. I will put the link of it down in the description box as well, so you just have to click on the link and then you will be redirect on RocketX exchange. Now over here, you need to click on the option of launch app, and then you will be redirect on this type of interface where you are going to see a bunch of different options like swap, referral, analytics, help, etc. So over here, by default, it will be selected as Ethereum network as the source network and the Polygon network as the destination network. So if you want to change it, then you will have to click on the source network option, and after that you will have to select your source network. For this video, I'm going to keep it as Ethereum, so I will click on Ethereum. Then in the destination network, you will have to click on it and you will have to change the destination network as Solana. So over here, you just have to scroll down and you need to try to find Solana network over here. However, you can also use this search bar in the top and you can search for Solana over here. Now, once Solana is selected as the destination network, you will have to enter the amount that you want to swap. Now over here, you need to first click on this connect wallet button, and after that it will ask you to select a wallet that is based on the Ethereum network. Now for this video, I'm going to select it as Coinbase wallet. So you can even select MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet if you want to. After that, you will need to press the connect button over here, and this way your Ethereum wallet will be connected to RocketX exchange. Now over here, it will ask you to add Solana network's address. Now in order to get that address, you can launch the Phantom Wallet mobile application in your device, or you can even add that extension in the top. After clicking on it, you are going to see Solana. So you will have to click on Solana and you just have to copy the address and you need to paste it over here. After that, you just have to click on cross chain swap option, and then the swap will be started and you just have to approve your transaction. Now after waiting for some time, you will notice that your swap is complete, and this way you will be able to easily bridge to Solana from Ethereum using RocketX. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.